Today we are blacking out my Fusion Chrome and covering up some scratches. This scratch, and this one. Now the tools you will be needing if you're trying to follow along. I'll link this vinyl down in the description, but I just got this off of eBay for like $30. It came with a little squeegee, a cloth, and a spray bottle. And it even tells you how to do it. So we're just gonna follow this. So first things first, we're gonna start cleaning. Looks good on camera. There's just a lot of bubbles in it. Alright, finally time to turn the camera back on. It's going good. Like if you look at it from way back here, it looks good. But there's still some bubbles in it. A little bit of imperfections I gotta get out. But it ain't looking bad. I found out you can stretch the vinyl. So I just been stretching it and it's looking nice now. But look at what happened. The wind made the weight I was using, which was full of soap, it literally rolled off the table and shattered on the ground. Like, dude, that already looks way better than before. Like no more scratches. It just looks uniform. Alright, so turn the camera back on real quick. Just to show you the mistake I made, because I was trying to make it look good. I ended up actually overheating the vinyl, which I didn't realize it would overheat that quick. So now this build is going to look bad for a little bit, because I just threw a bunch of overlap pieces on it. Just trying to get it to look good from afar. Like, back here, like you can't really tell, so. But up close you can, and I'll try and probably just reorder another piece. But that's the only problem. And just like that, we got that side done. And that side done. Today we're blacking out my Fusion Chrome, covering up the scratches. This scratch, this scratch, this scratch, and this one. That adds at least 50 horsepower on there. Looks a lot better than the chrome. But hope you enjoyed the video. This is the end of it. I don't really know what to say for an outro. Subscribe if you want. It'd be appreciated. We're up to 4 now. So